Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Crystal and I am a freelance makeup artist and model that drives for Uber part-time. So today in this video, what we're going to talk about is unemployment and the stimulus check. But before I get into this video, please hit the subscribe button down below and that would help us out so much. We'd really appreciate it. Also, if you want to keep seeing me on this channel, please go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and hit it, and I'm sure Dylan will keep on having me back. So that would help me out a lot. All right, let's go ahead and get into this video. So you may have some questions about unemployment and the stimulus check and what benefits we can get at this time. I know a lot of us are struggling. Me personally, I can't work. I can't go out and do people's makeup. I should not be driving. So I made the decision to stay home to keep myself and my family safe, so I am not driving. So I'm sure that's the case for a lot of people out there. So let's go ahead and get into this video about unemployment and how we go about that. All right, so question number one. The first question of this video is, how do I apply for unemployment? So this is what you're gonna do. Every state is different, so you're just gonna go online and you're gonna go ahead and type in your state and unemployment benefits. Okay, this will vary state by state of like what the URL is, but I know for California it is www.edd.ca.gov. And be sure that it has a .gov at the end because this is a government related program. It should not be .com, it should not be .net, it should not be .org. Make sure it's .gov. So for your state, go ahead and do that and it should pop up and it will go ahead and walk you through all the steps of how to apply. So I should warn you that not all states are set up yet, so some states weren't really prepared for everyone to start doing this. And some states have allotted times that you need to call them. So I know for California there are 3 ways to apply, and that is through phone, through online, and through mail. And so most people will apply online. However, they do have certain hours. Even if you're applying online, they have certain hours for you. We'll go ahead and give you a screenshot of those hours for California. And so during those times, that's the best time to actually start enrolling. Also, a lot of places have a high demand right now. A lot of people are applying for unemployment in our situations. So some states are asking you to check back. So I know for California specifically, I tried going online and doing this 2 times already, and it has given me errors about the password and this and that, and it's been really slow. And then it's just keep on trying. I know it's frustrating, but just keep on trying back, going online, going on during the hours that you need to, and just try to get it done. So the next question you may be asking is, how much will Uber and Lyft drivers get through unemployment? So to answer your question for that, the federal government is going to give you $600 each week, okay? And then you should get some state money. But as far as the government, so that is a pretty good chunk of money. I know for me, I've been driving part-time, so maybe I would get a little bit less, but I know they're going to go off your taxes, they're going to go off certain, I know that some unemployment sites have made a very basic version of their site just to start getting people to apply for this. So we'll walk you through the whole process in another video. So look out to check back for that video. Okay, number 3. Okay, so the third question in this video would be, how do I claim my stimulus check? So unemployment and stimulus check, those are 2 separate things. So for your stimulus For the stimulus check, they're basing that off of your taxes. So it's kind of like an automatic thing. If you had applied for your 2018 or if you filed your 2018 or 2019 taxes, then you should go ahead and already qualify for this. There's not much more that you do. There's not much more you need to do if you had already filed those things. If you have not filed, I would suggest you go ahead and get that done. So the stimulus check is based off your taxes. And if you have direct deposit set up, the money will go directly to your account. This is a $1,200 check from the federal government. So for this video, that's what I have for you guys today, and I will see you guys in part 2.